Ready? Sit. 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 Ready? Vlogmas day 2. Sit down. Okay. Before we hop into today's Vlogmas, it is currently 5:30 p.m. on December 2nd. Oh man, it looks so festive in here with the reflection. If you guys are over on my Instagram, you will know I just had a little like clap back in fun. It was all fun with my friend Rico about the best diet soda or best soda. And today for the drink, something that is pretty festive, and I started drinking this, I mean, I've always loved this, but specifically during Christmas, and now it's just like a nightly thing. Diet Gingy, the drink of the people. Cheers. So before we hop into the ERIN CONDREN haul for today, I'm going to post the little Instagram thing that went on. If you guys aren't following me over on Insta, definitely do it. Lots of behind the scenes. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, so one of my friends, Rico, just posted that Diet Dr. Pepper is the best soda. Hands down, no arguments. I'm gonna have to clap back, Rico. Before I share this holy drink, what is it? If you're in my personal life, you know I'll literally be insulted if my friends and family don't get this right. I thought Kyle drank it. There you have it, my soda of choice, Diet Gingy, also known as the Ginge, Thy Ginge, the Ginger Ale. It's the drink of the people. I feel like, am I too close to the camera? I don't know. We're in a new spot and I'm not sure about it yet. I had big plans to even do my hair for this video, but Kyle is midnights and he's asleep upstairs. I don't want to go in the bedroom and get my hair stuff, so we're just gonna go with it today. I have, and I kind of peeked, I'm sorry, a very large ERIN CONDREN haul for you guys. I have been working with ERIN CONDREN for like 6 years now, and I get so excited when I have to pick out my planner for the new year. So when it was time to choose the planners for this year, I was like ready to rock. I love planners. It's really what kind of propelled my channel, was the productivity stuff. So it just feels natural to do this video. All right, am I in focus? I don't even know. I have 2 ERIN CONDREN orders, so we're gonna be dividing this video up into 2 parts because the second order isn't here yet, so I don't even know where to start. I have over 60 items to show you. It actually is gonna be 3 videos because I'm gonna do the wedding planner as well. The 2021 ERIN CONDREN Life Planner. I chose a different spread this year because I figured, you know what, let's try something else. 2020 was weird, obviously, and I actually didn't utilize the planner as best as I could have because of it, so I just wanted to start fresh. Oh, she's so pretty. Yes, I mixed metals, but that's because I have a lot more gold than I have rose gold, and you can interchange these planners, but it almost looks, and maybe it's just because it's older, but maybe they changed the coil for this year. So here's I did a 1.5 years last year, so it's a really thick planner, which I forgot how thin these actually are. Here's the gold from last year. It looks like a whiter gold than a yellow, orangey. So you get your page marker. I'm gonna do an overhead shot of this too. I went with neutral this year, so that way I could pick the theme, I guess, for any planner stickers that I use. So this is the layers neutral. Doesn't have the colored sides, whereas last year, or the past year and a half, I should say, I had colored tabs. So we're just doing it all different. And then I changed my last name because we're actually planning on getting married this year before we have a wedding, just doing it the courthouse way. So I changed my name, and I would say that the rose gold metallic stars on this looks more like copper, just FYI. So we will go deep dive into this, but not for this video. Okay, so this is gonna be a whole nother series, but I also got the wedding planner, and this is the Green Wedding Shoes collaboration. So I went with, I think it's the boho, and then you can personalize it. And I did a picture from our engagement or our proposal on the back. But what's nice is that they actually give you, I believe, the tabs to do the dates yourself, since weddings are all over the schedule, and you can start the planner wherever you want, which I think is super helpful, rather than it having like a January 1st start. In the next haul, we're also going to be going over the Daily Duo planners and the petite planners. So if you're more interested in checking out those, I am going to be going over them. So I just want to give that a preface. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos. People are saying that they're not getting my videos in their feeds, and we need to change that. I did get 2 of the planners. Or how many did I get? This is the goal setting journal and the wellness log. Now I've done bullet journals in the past, but I wanted to do something a little bit different for my bullet journal this year, where it's really just like a brain dump journal and not very structured. So I wanted something that I could keep all of my extra planning supplies together rather than having a bunch of different planners all over the place. This actually has the folios, kind of like a Midori notebook that they're gonna go into. So I'll be sharing those in the next vlog, or the next haul. So just to kind of give you guys a brief overview, the wellness log looks like a starting point spread, wellness goals, the weekly chart. So it's like Monday through Sunday, water intake, steps, hours slept. You can put your meals there. And then I think there's there's monthly review pages as well. In the back, you also get the progress page, some note pages, and a set of stickers, which you can purchase separately. And then the goal setting journal is kind of similar. So you get your kind of brain dump pages for your values, getting clear on your goals, gives you the action steps, kind of like a walkthrough, really in depth actually. So I'll be doing an in-depth review of this. You can make a vision board, and then breaking down your goals. This is like very thorough. Check-ins, to-dos. I love this because like the actual life planner doesn't really have a space for this. So I like having this as like a supporting journal or supporting planner. Very awesome. Yeah, so these are made to fit inside of the folios that are gonna be in the next haul. I mean, you can use them by themselves, but what's cool about them is they come with the page protectors to put your sticker sheets in. And then you could also put this in a folio, so it's very on the go, which I really like. It's very compact. And so I got 2 of those, as well as some folio accessories. These are the insert organizers that you can use for the folio planning system. So I love that. I did get, and I have some others to show you in the next haul, but a couple different covers for the winter season. I couldn't choose which color I liked better. So I think this is like Hitting the Slopes or something like that. And I did the white and then the cherry blossom, and then did my initials, and did a picture with my brother and my grandparents from our ski trip, well, snowboard trip, and then one of my mom, my dad, and my brother on the Sugarloaf Mountain. You can do custom notebooks and notepads as well. So I did these for the wedding kind of binder. And I also have a new portfolio, zipper portfolio to keep all the wedding planner stuff in. Again, I know I keep referring to the next video, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to see the rest of it. I will show you what they look like. The smaller, this is 4x9. Hold on, Koa. The 4x9 is the same style as the 6x8, so I'm not gonna open it. I did the matching boho planner theme, and then Haley and Kyle at the bottom. So you can take that to like your meetings with the vendors and things like stylized stickies with the little dashboard for the wedding planner. And then it comes with the metallic date dots as well, which is super cute, super helpful too. This is one of their new sticker books. Has washi and clear stickers. This is their new layers theme, the colored one. I also picked up a wedding sticker pack. I know this haul is like all over the place, but there's so much to show you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, a new sticky note, stylized sticky note snap-in. I used this a ton last year, so I liked this color pattern. They have a couple out this year. There's the, there's this one, and so there's this one, which I think is the neutral, and then there's like the bright colored ones, and then there's a flower one as well. Then I got some new place markers. These things are so handy, these magnetic things, because you can put them for different uses, whether it's like marking a day or a specific thing that you need. And I really liked the length of these and the color scheme. And then I loved these little mini clear, colorful page flags. These would be really cute for your school notes. And then I'm infamous for like having one pen that I like to use in certain planners. So they have these new gold clip holder, pen holder clip. Love that. Since they're having their big sale, which you guys should definitely check out, it's 30% off right now for their Black Friday holiday shopping. I will have a link down below. You guys can get $10 plus the 30% off. It's a killer deal. Stock up on all of your planner supplies for the New Year's. That's what I did. That's why I have like 2 orders. I picked up 2 packs of the hexagon page markers, which I thought was really creative. You can use them as book markers. Then the color block event stickers, which are super cool. Then I picked up the designer sticker book. I get one of these every single year. They're on their 6th edition, and it's basically just all the months with a color theme. And it's just really nice because it keeps planning and color coordinating super easy. I did do some of the, I think they're called like the gradient time block stickers. So one sticker is a square that you can do like a to-do list, or you know, kind of use them each day, because I did get the hourly this year. And I did some theme stickers. We've got all kinds here. Oh, these were the monthly metallic tabs that come with the wedding planner, by the way. And it's 24 months, which is perfect because I did the 24-month planner. Okay, so for custom stickers, I basically did this because I've run into this in the past where I'll make a custom sticker and then the color doesn't work with the theme. So I tried to be neutral as possible, or do one cool color for a sticker and one warm color for the same event or tab or whatever. So for example, I did these meal prep in like the tan and in a green color, admin in tan and in a peach color. And then you can choose little icons. And then I also have some YouTube post stickers. And I thought the arrows were cute because it's like you can make a to-do list underneath. We did meal prep and then laundry, clean, housework. I tried to use words that like we actually refer to as when me and Kyle are talking about our week. And then for the workouts, since that's a daily occurrence, I did them in all sorts of colors. We've got the workouts in peach, aqua, tan, and then groceries in green and tan. I did a like neutral gray gradient, 2 of those. And then I also did those for the peach theme. So we have a tan, or no, a gray, a peach, and a aqua color. And then I did, I think these are also the color block, custom color block stickers. So it's similar to these color block events, except you can get them custom made. So I did ERIN's and then Kyle's the different shifts that he could have, and then work. I think they're the same. Yeah. So that way they can work with all different color themes in your planner. Super cool. So in the next haul, I've got the portfolios coming, the Daily Duo, some other wedding stuff, and some covers. So stay tuned for that. I also have sheets. I've never purchased these before. So I did the skiers. I did one for the wedding, this like fun shibori theme. And then a fun one for the holidays. Whew, that was a lot. So that was part one of my ERIN CONDREN haul. I'm gonna be going into a deep dive, showing you how I set up my planner for 2021. I'm also gonna be doing a planner comparison video once all the planners get here. So we'll go over the life planner, the daily duo, what is it called? The portfolio? No, that's not what it's called. Folio on the go. And the wedding planner, and showing you guys how to set them up, all the different accessories. Don't forget the 30% off sale is gonna end soon, so I will have links down below. You'll also get $10 towards your purchase by using my link. If you guys have any questions about ERIN CONDREN, I feel like a pro at this point, 6 years in the game. So let me know. I will be here to answer them. I am gonna sit here and play with my products. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.